All right, Chapter 7 review continued, questions 25 through 27. These are all going to be parabolas. So, number 25 says x minus 1 squared equals 12 times y minus 1. Okay? To solve this for y, to get it in standard form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So if you divide both sides by 12, you're going to get 1/12 x minus 1 squared equals y minus 1. And then if you add 1, you get y equals 1/12 x minus 1 squared plus 1. Alright, so that is in standard vertex form. The vertex, you change the sign of that, so it's going to be at x equals positive 1, and you keep the sign of that, so y equals 1. Because a, 1/12, is positive, it opens up. The axis of symmetry is at x equals 1. You get that from this parentheses. Gives you x equals 1. So when you go over here to graph it, 1, 1 is your vertex. Okay? You're going to go up and down to find your focus and your directrix. Now since it opens up around the focus. So the focus is going to be above, the directrix is going to be below. Now how much up and down you go is 1 over 4a. So 1 over 4a is 1 over 4 times 1/12, which is 1 over 4/12, which is 1/3, and 1 divided by 1/3 is 3. So the focus and the directrix are up and down 1 over 4a, which is 3. So we're going to go up 3 to get the focus. That's the point 1, 4. And we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 for the directrix. So the directrix is going to be y equals negative 2. Your axis of symmetry is right here at x equals 1. And here's your vertex, and it's going to open up. All that's left is the length of the lattice rectum, which would be right through here. So the length of the lattice rectum is 1 over a. So that is 1 over 1/12, which is 12. So that length is 12, so it's going to be half on one side, half on the other. So you're going to go 6 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be your lattice rectum there. And your parabola would be through those 3 points. Alright, number 26, we've got y plus 6 equals 16 times x plus 3, or x minus 3, sorry, squared. Okay, we know this is a parabola because the x is squared and the y is not. The only thing to get it in standard form is to take the 6 over. So y equals 16 times x minus 3 squared minus 6. So your vertex is at 3, negative 6. Change the sign of the x, keep the sign of the y. Since 16 is positive, it opens up. Now your focus and your directrix from the point 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to open up. So your focus is going to be above, your directrix is going to be below. It goes up and down 1 over 4a. So it actually goes up and down 1 over 4 times 16, which is 1 over 64. So from the point 3, negative 6, we're going to go up 1 over 64, so your focus would be at 3, negative 5 and 63/64. Because at this point, up 1/64. I would not make you graph something that small of a fraction. For the directrix, you would go down 1/64, so it would just be the horizontal line, y equals negative 6 and 1/64. Okay? The length of the lattice rectum is 1 over a, which is 1 over 16. So you would go from that. I won't make you do the tiny 1/16 for the lattice rectum. And so all you would have to do from here is know that it opens up from there. Okay, number 27 says x squared minus 8x plus 8y plus 32 equals 0. Okay? Well, we need to complete the square for x. So x squared minus 8x, leave a space, take everything else to the other side. So minus 8y minus 32. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. Squared is plus 16 plus 16. And then that becomes x minus 4 squared. This becomes negative 8y minus 24. Then you take the minus 24 over. So you got x minus 4 squared plus 24 equals negative 8y. And then divide everything by negative 8. And you get y equals negative 1/8 x minus 4 squared minus 3. So there it is in standard form. So the vertex is at 4, negative 3. Since a is negative, it opens down. So 4, negative 3. It opens down from there. So we know that the directrix is above and the focus is below. Now how far up and down it goes is 1 over 4a, which is 1 over 4 times 1/8, which is 1 over 1/2, which is 2. So we're going to go up 2 and down 2. And since it opens down, here's your directrix at 4, negative 5. Here's your vertex, 4, negative 3. And here's your directrix at y equals negative 1. All that's left, the axis of symmetry is at x equals 4. And the length of the lattice rectum, well, that's going to be 1 over a, which is 1 over 1/8, which is 8. So from the focus, you go 4 to the left, 4 to the right, and those are your 3 points for the parabola, with that being your lattice rectum.